Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Xiaomi Wear application. Once the devices are paired, you can open the Xiaomi Wear application on your phone, tap on Profile. Here, scroll down and you should find the Notifications and Calls category. Tap on the App Notifications first. And if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the app, you will be asked to allow the permissions. You can tap on the Settings button. It's gonna bring you to the Notification Access. Find the Xiaomi Wear application on the list, tap on it, tap on the switch, and then tap on Allow. And now we can go back to the Xiaomi Wear application. And once you're back in the application, now you should be able to open the App Notifications menu, and you can turn on the app notifications by tapping on the switch, like this. And here we have a list of applications installed on our phone, as you can see, and we can enable and disable the notifications for each application separately, like that, by tapping the switch, basically, next to the application. We can also enable option called Show on Lock Screen. So basically, if the screen is locked on your watch or on your phone, I believe, it's gonna show the notifications anyway. And you can also enable the option Wake Screen or disable it. So basically, if you receive the notifications on your watch, it's gonna wake up the screen on your watch, and you can disable or enable this option. Okay, let's go back and now tap on Incoming Calls. And here we can enable the notifications for incoming calls. Simply tap on the switch next to Incoming Calls. And if you don't have the required permissions allowed, you will need to tap on Allow and allow the required permissions. Let's do the same for the Show Contact Info. So basically, Incoming Calls option will allow the watch to vibrate when somebody is calling you on your phone, and Show Contact Info will show the caller's number and name. So you can enable or allow this permission and enable the Show Contact Info. You need to allow two permissions actually. Okay. And once you allow permissions and enable the options, you should be able to receive the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on the Discord. Let me check if the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. No. And as you can see, I received the notification on our phone and also received it on our watch. If you miss the notifications on your watch, you can swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the notifications menu. And here you can tap on the notification to view it. You can also tap on the clear button. Now it's gone. So let me send another notification like this. You can basically open the notifications menu, and you can tap on the clear button if you want to clear them all, like that. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications on this watch, or rather for this watch, on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.